Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to create charts and an interactive dashboard based on our analysis, perfect for both presentation and decision making. As you already know, it's a huge dataset which contains 5,31,042 rows. Like, it's a huge data guys. So for this we have to think perfectly, and after that we can create any analysis or present any charts or dashboards. So I hope you are ready to level up your data analysis skills, because we are about to turn raw data into powerful visuals. So let's jump right in and put your analysis skills to work by building this dashboard. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on valuable contents like this. So let's start the video guys and preparing dashboards. There are 8 columns important. Invoice number. Invoice number is the 6-digit integral number uniquely assigned for each transactions. And if this code starts with letter C, it indicates a cancellation. Stock code. It's the product item code, a 5-digit integral number uniquely assigned to each distinct product. Okay, it is the product code. Stock code. So description is the product name, quantity is the quantity, and invoice date is the date and time. Okay, so it is the date and time. Okay, invoice price is the normal thing. Customer ID is assigned to identify the customer. Country you already know. So cancellation, I created this column. So according to this column there are 8 columns. Okay, after that I created all the things, so no worry about that. I already said it in the previous video. Let's start preparing the dashboards. I did this by inserting a shape and adding a text box for the title and using a few icons, like you can see, make it more visually engaging. And after setting up the heading, I created our first chart, the top 10 selling products chart. This helps us quickly identify the best performing products in our dataset and gives a clear view of what's driving the most sales. It's a great way to begin building insights from our data visuality. Next, I created a chart that highlights the top 10 customers who have made the most purchase or have been the most engaged with our store. This chart helps us identify our most valuable customers, which is crucial for planning targeted marketing strategies and building customer loyalty. By visualizing this data, we can clearly see who our key customers are and how much they contribute to overall sales. After that, I created a line chart that displays the average sales per month. This chart helps us understand the overall sales trend throughout the year. Right now the month are shows as numbers like 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March, like this. But it still gives a clear view of how sales are performing month by month. This kind of trend analysis is very useful for identifying seasonal patterns, planning stock, and making data-driven business decisions. Next, I created a chart showing the top 10 countries by average sales. This chart helps us understand which countries our store is performing best. It gives us insights into where our products are in high demand and also highlights regions where we might need to improve our marketing strategy to boost sales. Knowing your top performing countries is a key for expanding your reach and making smarter business decisions globally. Along with the charts I have already created, you can add more visuals like total revenue by category, sales by invoice date, or even a pie chart for product category share. These extra charts help give a 360-degree view of business performance. After creating the charts, I added slicers for month, year, and country. These slicers make our dashboard dynamic and interactive, allowing us to filter the data with just a click. Now, whether you are a part of the higher management team or just exploring the data, you can easily adjust these filters to view the exact insights you need quickly and clearly. This flexibility makes our dashboard ideal for real-time decision making. So let's check if I want for the month 7, it's for July. So it's changed. All the data are changed, and here is the 1 pointer is showing. Okay. So if I want for the all, so all the data is changed. According to the month of 9, if you want to sell, the top 10 countries also changed. Okay. So according to year also we can see, and according to country also we can see. Here it will be not showing because it will total for the Brazil only. So top 10 customers also like showing this. Okay. So You can change according to you. And we can select this for selecting 2 to 3 countries also. Okay, so you can check all the data are changing according to our slicers. Okay, so it's very useful. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed building this interactive Excel dashboards with me. And guess what? There are many more exciting videos coming soon covering SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau and more. So get ready to level up your skills with Smart Study Point, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.